delicious Australian grass-fed whey protein powder. All you need is 250 ml of water, coconut water, use almond milk. So this is your 1 scoop, your 21 grams of protein to help you meet your daily protein requirements. Coconut water, this is absolutely delicious and I highly recommend it. Using this protein powder with coconut water if you're having a post-workout, because you're getting your 21 grams of protein, your 6 grams of BCAAs, some carbohydrates and electrolytes. It really is a great recovery drink. You got your protein, your liquid, whether you're using water, almond milk, coconut water. Then you want to add in your carbohydrates, so some berries. From there, the only other thing you need with it, so you've got your protein. That's one macronutrient. Then you got your carbohydrates. Use any fruit you like, even green vegetables. And now all we need is some fat. Handful of almonds or LSA. LSA is linseed, sunflower seeds and almonds. That's a mixture there. Seeds, pumpkin seeds or chia seeds, which we have here. Then you've also got your oils, coconut oil, and then you've also got avocado. This is the foundation of a smoothie. Protein powder, carbohydrates, some carbs in here as well, and then you've also got your fat, right? Protein, carbs, fats. You put that in your blender and you have got a full meal smoothie that will leave you satiated for hours and leave you feeling clean, light, satisfied, and energized. Absolutely delicious. Eat, think, and live clean.